Deadlines missed. Clients waiting. Another night lost in endless lines of code.
Web dev was never the problem. Time was.
Every project felt heavier until AI whispered, "Let me help."
One prompt, one line. The code started writing itself.
AI didn't just automate, it designed beautifully.
Where days became seconds, and stress became strategy. It didn't stop there. It optimized every inch for performance.
Humans built with passion. AI built with precision.
Deadlines vanished. Confidence returned.
And clients? They stopped waiting. They started referring.
One of SEO tools synced in real time. Ranks climbed overnight.
It wasn't competition. It was collaboration.
AI understood data. Humans perfected emotion.
Launch once. Scale everywhere.
Sites went live in 10 countries. Overnight.
Ending late. It's the new and automated iterations. It learned, improved, never stopped.
Before humans typed, AI already knew what they needed.
How did it know that? It didn't read minds. It read patterns. Patterns you taught it.
Optimization became instinct.
Dozens of projects. One brain behind them all.
Vision on paper turned real in seconds.
Every pixel synced. Every page alive.
AI didn't just speed up work, it scaled dreams.
Reputation became automation.
Remember when we coded everything by hand?
Now, creation feels like breathing.
It doesn't replace developers. It amplifies them.
Quality doubled. Effort halved.
Now, knowledge spreads faster than code.
No one's falling behind anymore, only moving forward.
Billions of lines of code. Now, one living network.
The future isn't AI versus us. It's AI with us.